friends, today I am going to show you how to make an easy paper lantern. So here we have an A4 sized yellow colored paper. It's not compulsory you should use yellow, any other color would be also fine. So first you just need to trim off a part. As you can see, we chopped out a piece. It may not be in a particular size because we are using it for the handle. Let's keep it aside. So next let's fold the piece of paper into two. As you can see, when you open, you get two sides. So fold it like this. And you need to make a straight line somewhere above. So you can see here. And then let's start cutting. Try to make it all the same size. As you can understand, I have marked this line as a dead line. Try to make it all the same size, which will make it look more beautiful. And at last, I'll tell you what to do next. When you fold, you get this line. Just straighten it up because I marked it just to know that I should stop there. So next, you fold it up, take a stapler, as you can see, we have made the lantern. Do you think something is missing? Yeah, the handle is missing. Here we have the handle. So, we staple it up. As you can see, looks nice, right? Like the lantern.